7 sneaky signs of a silent heart attack you can't afford to ignore. Hey guys! Are you aware that a heart attack is one of the leading quietus in the world? It's no joke, and the scariest thing about it is that it can happen without any warning signs. That's why it's crucial to know the symptoms of a silent heart attack. Yes, you heard that right. A silent heart attack. You might be wondering, what the heck is a silent heart attack? Well, let me tell you. A silent heart attack is just like a regular heart attack, but it doesn't have the typical chest pains or other noticeable symptoms. It's like a ninja heart attack, sneaking up on you when you least expect it. And the worst part, it can be even more dangerous than a regular heart attack because people don't realize they're having one, and they don't seek medical attention until it's too late. It's like a ticking time bomb inside your chest. But don't worry folks, we've got your back. In this video, we'll go through the top 7 signs of a silent heart attack that you should never ignore. So, grab a pen and paper, take some notes, and let's dive into this important topic together. Discomfort. Discomfort in the chest, arms, or jaw. This symptom might not always be obvious, but it's important to pay attention to any unusual sensations you might be feeling. It can be mild or severe, and it often feels like pressure or squeezing. It's easy to just brush off chest discomfort as indigestion or heartburn, but it's important to note that it can also be a sign of something more serious. If you experience this symptom, it's important to pay attention to its duration and intensity. If the discomfort persists or worsens, seek medical attention immediately. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is a common symptom of many health issues, but it's one of the most ignored signs of a silent heart attack. This feeling of breathlessness can occur during physical activity or even when you're at rest. Many people mistake it for being out of shape or just getting older, but if it's accompanied by chest discomfort, then it could be a sign of a silent heart attack. Chest discomfort can manifest in different ways, such as a tightness, pressure, or squeezing feeling. If you experience shortness of breath and chest discomfort together, it's time to take it seriously. This is especially true if the discomfort is in the center or left side of the chest and lasts more than a few minutes. Ignoring these symptoms could lead to serious consequences, including heart failure or even death. Remember, a silent heart attack doesn't always have the dramatic symptoms of a full-blown heart attack, which is why it's essential to pay attention to these subtle signs. Don't wait until it's too late. Lightheadedness or dizziness. Feeling lightheaded or dizzy might not sound like a big deal, but it could be a warning sign of a silent heart attack. This sensation can occur suddenly and without warning, making it all the more important to pay attention to how you're feeling. When your body doesn't get enough oxygen-rich blood, it can lead to a drop in blood pressure, causing dizziness or even fainting. And while it's true that these symptoms can be caused by many other things, including dehydration or low blood sugar, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So, if you're experiencing bouts of dizziness or feeling lightheaded, make sure to take a break and sit down for a moment. If it persists, it's important to seek medical attention right away, especially if you're also experiencing other symptoms like chest pain or shortness of breath. Ignoring these signs could be putting your health at risk and could even be life-threatening. Remember, your body is always communicating with you, and it's up to you to listen. Don't ignore any unusual symptoms, even if they seem minor. It's always better to err on the side of caution and get checked out by a medical professional. Unusual fatigue. We all experience tiredness from time to time, but when it comes to unusual fatigue, it's essential to pay attention. Do you feel drained even after a good night's sleep? Are you finding it hard to complete simple tasks without feeling exhausted? Then it might be time to listen to what your body is trying to tell you. Unusual fatigue could be a sign of a silent heart attack. You see, when our heart doesn't get enough blood flow, it has to work harder to pump it throughout the body. And when our heart works harder, it causes us to feel more tired and fatigued than usual. So if you're experiencing unusual fatigue, Don't brush it off as normal tiredness. Take note of when you're feeling tired and what activities you were doing before it occurred. This information can help you determine if it's just a result of stress or if it's something more serious. If you're noticing that your fatigue is coming on with exertion, like climbing the stairs or carrying groceries, it could be an indication of a silent heart attack. Ignoring this symptom could be life-threatening, and it's important to seek medical attention immediately. Nausea or vomiting. Now let's talk about a symptom that is often overlooked when it comes to silent heart attacks: nausea and vomiting. It's no secret that feeling sick to your stomach is never a fun experience. However, when it comes to your heart health, it's essential to take it seriously. Nausea or vomiting can occur during a silent heart attack because of the lack of oxygen flow to the heart. Your body's natural response to this is to feel sick, and you may end up vomiting as a result. While it's easy to brush off nausea or vomiting as a stomach bug or food poisoning, it's crucial to be aware of the other signs that may accompany these symptoms, such as shortness of breath, chest pain, or sudden fatigue. Paying attention to these symptoms can be the difference between life and death. It's important to note that not everyone experiences all of these symptoms during a silent heart attack. Some people may only experience one or two, while others may experience several. Remember, your heart is one of the most vital organs in your body, and it's crucial to take care of it. Stomach pain. Another sign of a silent heart attack that is often overlooked is stomach pain. The pain can range from mild discomfort to severe pain and may be mistaken for indigestion. This happens because the nerves that carry pain signals from the heart also send signals from the stomach and esophagus, making it hard to pinpoint the source of the pain. Ignoring stomach pain can lead to serious consequences, such as a delay in treatment that could cause permanent heart damage or even death. Therefore, it is essential to recognize the signs and seek medical attention if you experience persistent stomach pain. Furthermore, stomach pain can be accompanied by other symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and shortness of breath, which are also common signs of a silent heart attack. It is crucial to note that the severity and type of pain can vary, with some people experiencing only mild discomfort, while others may feel intense pain. Sudden sweating. Sudden sweating may not seem like a big deal, especially if you live in a hot and humid climate. But if you find yourself drenched in sweat, even when you're not doing anything strenuous, it could be a sign of a silent heart attack. Sweating is one of the body's natural ways to regulate temperature, and it can happen due to various reasons, like being nervous, eating spicy food, or exercising. However, when it comes to a silent heart attack, sudden sweating can occur without any apparent reason. The sweating might be accompanied by a feeling of uneasiness or discomfort in the chest, neck, or arms. It's essential to note that not everyone experiences the same symptoms of a silent heart attack. Some people might only have one symptom, while others might have several. And as the name suggests, these symptoms are silent, meaning they can occur without the usual chest pain and discomfort associated with a regular heart attack. That's why it's crucial to pay attention to any unusual symptoms you might be experiencing, even if they seem insignificant. Remember, your body is your best friend, and it's always trying to tell you something. So, if you're experiencing sudden sweating, don't ignore it. Remember, prevention is key. Keeping a healthy lifestyle, eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and managing stress levels can go a long way in keeping our hearts healthy. It's also important to know your family's medical history and to get regular checkups. By paying attention to these warning signs, you can take control of your health and prevent serious health problems down the line. Remember, don't ignore the signs of a silent heart attack and always take your heart health seriously. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Thanks for tuning into our video, and if you found this information useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more informative and playful content.